Hi, my lovely viewers, and welcome to yet another episode in our engineering drawing series. Well, today we'll be looking at drawing a hexagonal headed knot. Yeah, hexagonal headed knot, and I'll be showing you a little trick, shortcuts, and fastest way to drawing this diagram. If you want to know, if you want to learn from this video, please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to smash that subscribe button below. All right, let's get okay. So, in drawing a hexagonal knot, we'll need this parameter. So you can see our parameters given here. We have our d to be equals to 60 millimeter, our thickness, which is 0.7 d, give us 42 millimeter, our width 1.5 d plus 3, which give us 93 millimeter, and our radius 2d, which give us 120 millimeter. So with this parameter we can draw our hexagonal knot. And like, don't, let's say don't mind, oh please mind, h here is what we call the height of the knot. H will be equals to d. Okay, so the height of the knot will be equals to the diameter of this given drawing. So the first thing we want to do is that we are drawing this diagram in first angle projection. Okay, so we are going to start with drawing the plan. That's how we're drawing the plan. Okay, now in drawing the plan, first thing that we need to do is that we are going to use the measurement of 2d to draw the plan. What do I mean? 2d is 120 millimeters, so with our compass the diameter is 120. The diameter of the circle we want to draw now is 120. Okay, but if the diameter is 120, that means the radius will be 60, and this is 60. Just watch, you understand what I'm doing. This is 60. Okay, we want to draw the hexagon, so I point here and construct 60. Okay, now after doing this, we are dividing this circle into four equal parts, and then we'll construct our hexagon. Okay, so I've divided our circle into four equal parts. Now I didn't shake my compass. With the same radius of the circle, I want to construct a hexagon. Okay, cut up, cut down, put here, you cut up and you cut down. Okay, now we'll join these points. Okay, so this is our hexagon. Now we're going to project all these lines, project the points upward. Okay, so with our set square, let's start our projection. So we're projecting these points upward. Okay, so we're doing the same thing for all the points. Okay, so I've done all my elongation. Now I will just at any point, okay, pick at any point and then draw a straight line. Now this is what I mean. So any point, just draw a straight line. So that's our baseline. Okay, I can try to make it, put it here, however I wish to. It's my own choice. So I've drawn this line. Now we want to draw the height of the knot, so we take height to be equal to d. Okay, and which is equal to 60 mm. So we are taking the height to be equal to 60 millimeter. So I measure 60. This is 60. Work must be very neat. Make sure your work is neat as possible. And I measure 60 here too. And then I join. Okay, so that's it. Now we want to draw our axe. There's one parameter that is missing. Our angle of chamfer was given as 30 degrees. Now I'll show you a shortcut on how to bypass this, but your drawing will still come out accurate and you'll still follow that 30 degrees. Now watch this carefully. With our radius, which was given to be 120 millimeter, so we'll measure 120. This is 120. Okay, this is 120, and then now watch this. Okay, so this is the point. Just measure it. Okay, and then Now I've drawn the arc. Okay, now we want to draw the arcs for these other two parts. Now this is what I will do. I will divide this line into two equal parts, and then I will elongate the line. Now what do I mean? The measurement of this line here happens to be 3. Okay, 3. So half is 1.5 and 1.5. So measure 1.5 by 1.5, which is half. Okay, now we elongate all these lines too. Mind you, please make these lines to be as faint as possible because we are still going to erase them when we are done with our diagram. You might not see the line, but it's kind of faint. Now watch this. At this point here, okay, this point here, you draw a faint line too to cut across this center line. Okay, so draw a faint line. I've drawn this line. Now I'm going to bisect this line to get our midpoint. So with any basic choice, okay, I cut up, I cut down, I place here, I cut up, and I cut down. Okay, now I join these 2 points. Okay, now here will serve as our point of pivot. Now you place a compass at this point, okay, and then measure the distance here, and then we'll draw the arc. And if we check, the arc will correspond. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing here, but without wasting much time. Instead of you to stress yourself, you can just do this and then mark the point, okay, and then use that same measurement, put up and then cut. Try to make it very, very thick because it's the main D of the diagram. Okay, so I've done that. And we have drawn the front view of this hexagonal knot. Now we're going to move to the side view. Now before we get to the side view, we must elongate all our lines, okay, elongate them towards the side, and go from the plan, from the elevation, elongate them all towards the side view. I would advise you use a very thin lead pencil for your elongation lines. It's better to make you not be that confused when you're drawing. So let's start our elongation.
Bring that shit up.
Let's go straight to the side elevation. Now, at our side elevation, now we have this. Okay, remaining this. Now we will still want to draw these curves at this part of our diagram. And remember how we did the previous one. Now this is what we're going to do for this. At the end of this curve, like this part of the curve, just elongate the line a little towards this part. You have something, make it line very, very faint, okay? And we have this. Now we're dividing this line into two equal parts. So we have here to be 5, this 2.5 towards this area. Then we have here to be 5, 2.5 towards this area. Okay, so I just draw a straight line, very straight and faint. Make sure that okay. Now same thing. We join these 2 points, and then with my compass I pin it here, cut an arc up, cut an arc down. I also pin it here, cut an arc up and cut an arc down. Okay, then I'll join our points. Now if you check, the line exceeded our diagram. Okay, so since it's exceeded it, we have to elongate this center line down to, okay, now where they meet to our points of pivot, and then we put it here, and then we'll draw the arc. Okay, okay, so I've done that. Now to do the second one, instead of me wasting much time in doing this, I can just elongate this line first so we can get our point. Elongate, and then from this point here, point of action, we just hit the point here. Please, if you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate if you smash the subscribe button, and then also like this video. Please share it to your friends, classmates, and well wishers. Okay, so I've done that. So guys, this is it. Now we're giving our diameter to be 6 millimeters. So if diameter is 6, the diameter already should be 30. So we put 30 here. Okay, and then we'll come to this hexagon, and then we'll draw a circle. And then we have our thickness to be 42 millimeters. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. So measure 21 here. Okay, so it's 21. I draw. So this is, alright guys, this is it. So to elongate this line and then draw broken lines on this part of our diagram. Now this is what I mean. So guys, we are done. This is our hexagonal knot. Wow, that was wonderful. Learning how to draw a hexagonal headed knot. Well, if you love that video and if you learned from that video, please smash that like button there, drop a comment, a very wonderful comment, and then share this video to your friends, classmates, and well wishers. Alright, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell after subscribing. Thank you and God bless. See you in the next video.